Okay, so question 8, a little bit more, almost a little bit more open-ended. If you think about it, it's not actually as hard as it looks. So we've got a point on a curve. So this is the curve y equals x to the half. So that's y equals root x. There's our curve. And we've got point A, and it says we've got the tangent to the curve A, and that's parallel to the line y equals 3y minus 2x equals 1. Right, so what does parallel mean? So parallel means it has the same gradient. So first of all, let's find out what the gradient of this tangent is. So 3y minus 2x equals 1. We can rearrange that. And we can get y equals 1 plus 2x divided by 3. So the gradient is 2/3. Okay, so that's going to be the gradient of our tangent. Right, how would we normally find a tangent? We would normally find a tangent by starting out by differentiating. Well, one of the ways to find tangent is to differentiate the curve. So dy dx is a half x to the minus a half. Right, dy dx gives us the gradient of the tangent. So we know that must be 2/3 because it's got to have the same gradient as the line. So a half x to the minus a half has got to equal 2/3. That tells me x to the minus a half is going to be 4 over 3, which you can, if you are not sure about how to manipulate that, your calculator does actually have a button where we can just go, let's find it on here, shift, there you go, you can actually do a negative a half root of a number. Not very nice, but your calculator lets you do it, of 4 over 3, and we can get 9 over 16. So x equals 9 over 16. That means that our point A, the x coordinate, is 9 over 16, because this is where the gradient that we got from the tangent, yeah, is the same as the gradient of the parallel line. So that must be point A. So we know the gradient, we know the x coordinate. You also need to know the y coordinate to write tangent. So y is x to the power of a half. So remember, half is a square root. So y is the square root of 9 over 16, which is 3 over 4. And now we have all the elements we need. We know the gradient, we know the x coordinate, we know the y coordinate, and we have all the elements. We can write the equation of a tangent. Remember, the equation of a straight line is y minus the y coordinate equals gradient, brackets, x minus, make sure you write the right number, x minus the x coordinate. And that's all you need to do. It didn't ask us to write it in any form, so that's fine. No need to rearrange that and risk getting it wrong.